Hello, hello. How are we doing? I am recording. Very nice. Anyway, last time we left it off. Where did we leave it off? Oh yeah, I was making this contraption. Because this thing requires this things to make mana, and I kind of wanted it to work forever, like constantly, instead of me having to constantly like remember to put coal in there every now and a while, because it takes like a long time to process the coal. So I wanted to automate it. But then my game crashed, and I didn't get to do that. And now I kind of gotta figure out what the hell I was doing here while I was like on 2 hours of sleep. I think my idea was have this activated by this timer every like once in a while, and then every time this timer activates, I will also activate this trap door, which when open will allow the blocks that are like in here to get put into this thing. Maybe? Somewhat that. First things first, let me move you closer to here, just because I need that there. And then I need redstone. Does this shit work with that? Did I put the wrong one here? I put the wrong one there. Alright. Let me just have a redstone torch so I can test this stuff. Surely I have one redstone torch. Yes, I do. I also need to like have some inventory space. I don't know why I have 0 inventory space. But it be what it be. Alright, that's probably good. If I do this... No, I need to put you to one pulse. Did you grab my torch? You did. Another pulse? What the fuck do you consider a pulse? Oh, I didn't have the blocks of coal in here. There we go. What the hell did I put that way? I forget. Okay, that way works. And then, how do trapdoors work? I'm not sure. I haven't, like, used a trapdoor with redstone before, so I'm not sure how they work. You think it activate, like, okay. So you'd go on whenever you have redstone. Why don't you get activated by that? It's my question. Wait, why don't you get activated by that? Why, like, I guess maybe because it's going this way? That could be it. Let me move this chest. This chest is in a fuck-ass position. There we go. Did that move? No, everything's fine. So, how does this thing work? I forget how. Well, I never know how redstone works. I know. Well, I know a little bit of how redstone works, but in terms of trapdoors, I don't know shit all about how redstone works. I can do this though. To try this theory. And now, whenever I do this, okay, now it's open. So now I need to have that be in the closed position. So like, no. Can I not place a trapdoor? Like, okay. I see. So I gotta do this thing. Now, how does that work? How do you? I forget how you make it so that like it reverses the signal. How did you? How did that work? I know it's just a torch. Oh yeah. Okay, I understand it now. I remember now. So let me just No, but I need to do it weird. By weird, I mean I need to just break this one block. And then that's good enough. There. No. Actually, I do need to do it weird. Let me go to sleep so I'm not interrupted during my redstoning session. Where I'm trying to remember that like one time I did redstone, like I made a 4x4 door, or not a 4x4, not even. Not even close. I made a few 2x2 doors, one without like sign pistons. And that's my extent of redstoning. I did some of the other stuff too, but not too much. I made like a trap where like the blocks constantly move. But anyway, I just need a block that is conductive, so an iron block works. Now the issue is I need this thing to go in here, so then I can't have it like that. What I need to do is I need to move you. Okay. There. Actually, this if I have this thing here, does this just work? And if I have this thing here, does that just work? It does. So then, what if I have it here? Okay. So then I can just have it like this. Have this. Go like... Actually, could I have just had it the exact same way, but just like this? And then whenever... I need another torch to test it out. Whenever this is on, that's off. Alright? And so then this can be like that. And when I turn this on... What? Shouldn't you work like that? Alright, and whenever this turns on, it closes. Okay, I don't know why it didn't update the other time. But this seems to work, and then I just put this here just for that the blocks don't go too far. I don't need this shit. I can have this like over here. Set to 1000. And let's see how this works. Actually, this is definitely not gonna work now that I think about it. We'll see. Now that I think about it, isn't this gonna be open while this is getting tugged in here and then just like go in there? Isn't that just what's gonna happen? I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Let's test it out first. Worst case scenario, I can literally just build another timer and just put it on top of this thing, and then it works. Or I guess it would have to be on top of like a redstone over here. So then... Bro? Why didn't that turn it on? What? Wait, what? Is it because of you? You're too close, so you mess this shit thing? Wait, why didn't that work actually? Even if like... Okay, let me put this down to like 100 for now. Why doesn't this... Is it too short? Because it goes. Does it not activate this thing? Because it's so short? Oh, it doesn't do this thing because it's so short. That's interesting. That's interesting. Alright, you know what I can do? Instead of like doing like this all just trying to do vanilla redstone, I can literally just make 2 of these guys. What is it? This. Okay. Just need another one of these things, and then I can make another one of these guys. Once I have a clock. Because of course I need a clock. Who doesn't need a clock? Are they different? They don't stack. I guess one is owned by me, I guess. And then you, I can just have you do that every. So I guess I'll have it at 100 just for testing. And then I can have. I still need this to be operated by redstone. So I can just have this, this. If I put it directly on you, does that work or no? I mean, the issue was that actually it didn't activate this because it was so weird. So like instantaneous. Is there a way I can like make you like last longer? Is there really no way to do that? Because there ain't like, yeah, the problem is that the pulse is too fast, so it doesn't activate like this thing or deactivate, I guess. Because I could theoretically like put do this with this. Why is it doing that? Why is bro doing that? Is it because like I guess this block is positive, but this now returns negative. Yeah, okay. It's weird. Yeah, the pulse is too short for this to work. The pulse is too short. Is there a different timer? Holy, it's gonna take me 2 years to search this up. No, I didn't actually. But you seem kinda annoying to make. It's not actually that bad, but it is annoying, so I'm not gonna do that. Uh, are you like, I don't know. I mean, this one like so easy, but it doesn't like work with this thing. It doesn't work with like the fucking NOR function. No, it's not the NOR function. Is it the NOR function? I forgot my fucking like my what I don't even know what they're called. I forgot the little things that make like fucking computers work. It's like and a NOR, or it's NAND. What was like? How did I forget the simplest one, which is that just reverses the 1 to a 0? How did I forget that one? How did I forget the name for that one? It's probably so fucking simple, and I just forgot it. Like, how is that even possible? Like, genuinely, how is that possible? Because, or it's just like whether anything is active, and if it's all of them are active, fucking NAND if it's nothing active, fucking NOR is if it's what was NOR? I don't know what NOR was actually. if like one of them isn't active, but that's the same thing as. Oh yeah, so if it's one of them isn't active, that makes sense. And then there's the reverse one that makes it so it goes from like a 1 to a 0 or from like active to inactive. And I forgot what it's fucking called. Like it's the simplest fucking one. If you haven't taken like a engineering class or like coding class that talks about the basics of coding or computers, whatever the fuck, you probably don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But it's so fucking chopped that I don't know. That I forgot the fucking what it's called. How did I forget what it's called? It's probably so simple because it's just the thing that like flips the fucking whether it's active or active, 0 or 1. It just flips that. It just does the opposite. I don't remember what it's fucking called. Anyway, let me actually go back to doing this thing. This thing sucks. Actually, I just came up with an idea. That should work, actually. That should actually work. Because it wasn't actually it going down that made it the blocks be able to go through it. It was it updating that made the blocks be able to go through it. So now if I just put this here, and then I let this, the blocks can go through. And now if I just put this to like 1,000, wait until you're halfway through that or enough. Alright. Okay, let me put you to 1,000. And then I need to, I can probably just put this up here. I wanted to put this. Actually, if I drop this like right here, you get picked up. So I shouldn't want this there. I should want it over here. Is that like the top? How do I select anything else? Oh, that. Okay, but which one is the top? Which one's the bottom? Okay, that's the top right now. So then it should be like this one? Okay, I just have to fucking guess. Actually, it puts it in the way you're looking at. Oh, that's why it was like tilted. I was like, why is it like in a fucking weird direction? That's why. Anyway, extract, always on, insert. Alright, and you should be working. Now, that was all just because I wanted to do this. Or like make fucking things with Simons. It wasn't all because of that. I just wanted to automate this for some reason. Actually, I don't know why. But it seems to work. Because now this stays here for a decent amount of time, enough for this to process it, because I needed like a bit of time to process it. So it couldn't be picked up right away. Now this gives us some time to get it picked up. And it works, I guess. Is it the most efficient way to do this? I don't fucking know. I am sure there's like 50,000 ways more efficient. Alright, and now this should activate. Well, it was close to working. No. Why didn't that work? Maybe I put it to 100. Is it like just maybe it only worked whenever I like did it a lot? Maybe? Maybe that's the reason it worked? Okay, not you. Oh wait, I know. Oh wait, why did I just have it like this? What the fuck? Oh, because it opened, okay. I can just have it like this and it probably works. Because that gives it more space to go through, maybe? I don't fucking know. Alright. Throw this shit away. Okay, so now this is gonna throw something. And there we go. Alright, let me set this at least to 500. Or I guess I should set it to 1000. I guess the only issue with setting it to 1000 is that... Alright, I should give it way more than enough time. The only issue with setting it to 1000 is I don't know if it works. So now I have to wait again. Let's go. I guess I should be doing this meanwhile. I don't know what my drop key is, so I'm just gonna do this manually. How many of these do I need? I only need like 4. I really didn't need that many. I just kind of did this for fun, I guess. What did I even want to do? This thing. That was my main goal. I wanted to make a relay for energy. And I just kind of got a bit distracted. Alright, do I have that much zirconium? Cause I need some zirconium fucking blocks for that shit. Wait, it's about to work. Or maybe not work. Let's see. Fuck. Is there a way I can extend the charge? Is there a way I can extend the charge? I mean... I guess I can just do like a... What's it called? Repeater? Is it a repeater? Yeah, you can just do a repeater. And then if I have a repeater going this way with 1 tick, and then I do this thing. That makes it soft locked, I forgot. That soft locks it. Forgot about that. Forgot that it soft locks it. Soft locks it. I guess I can do it like this. Where I have you. I mean, this is the most inefficient way of doing anything ever done in life. But it might work. I can have you come out of here. And then you come out of here. And then you're a 2 and you're a 1. But then I would need you to be here. And then... And now, maybe it works. I don't fucking know, man. I'm grasping at straws now. I'm just grasping at straws. Alright, how long are you gonna take? Can I go look how much zirconium I have real quick? Let me get 2 stacks of that shit. Oh I still have time. I need... Alright. I was gonna start crafting shit, but I don't think I have time. Let's see. You do that so fast, you don't even activate the repeaters? How did it activate the other repeaters? It activated the repeaters previously. Wait, what? 100. What's even the point of the fucking timer if it doesn't work with half redstone sinks? Half the redstone sinks it doesn't fucking work with. Or am I dumb? Well, this definitely doesn't work. And then you don't work. Because I'm dumb. Okay, that's why. I forgot how repeaters work. You need to put them like this. And you need to be like this. Okay, yeah, okay, so then I was fucking complaining for no reason. Wait. There we go. It works. It's the most fucking complicated way to like make this go for 2 ticks instead of 1. But it works. And now... There we go. I can just put you at... Wait until this goes a bit further down. I think that's like way more than enough, but... That should be good. Alright, and now one final look while I craft these things. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put this little bitch in here, because why not? I don't even know the half the shit I have in here, I'll be honest. I did not realize that I had like a fucking chunk loader there. Anyway, I need to go to sleep, but first I need to check that this functions, because it's gonna run probably by the time I would get back here. Alright, and now. Perfect, went in there, went back here. Perfect. Now, am I gonna need that for almost anything? No fucking shot. But at least I made it. Question mark? I don't fucking know. Why did I do all that? I just didn't need that. I think it was I just wanted to fucking do something that wasn't like grinding a specific fucking material or something. I just wanted to exercise my brain in like the dumbest way possible. Cause like, what the fuck is that shit? There was just way better ways I could have done any of that. Alright, what else did I need here? I need crystalline. You were lapis and diamonds? Okay, sure, why not? Maybe I have some of that already. I did make some earlier. Oh, I have some crystalline ingot. I didn't realize that actually. I didn't realize I made the ingot. Why did I make the ingot? For what? For what? What oh, for that. That tracks. Anyway. Corrupted stone. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I might put in the blocks in manually. I can just do that shit. And then with that, I can just do this shit. And with that, I was about to say, oh, like everything else was left over, but that's because this just filled it back in with the materials I already have. With that, I can make this thing. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to make the other things first. Why am I trying to click that? Why did I even, like... Why did I even think that was? I don't even know. Anyway, this works. Here. For this shit. This shit. I need this guy, which I can make. And then I can make this thing. I need to make 2 of those. I just realized that. It's been so long since I was actually trying to make that I forgot how they work. Nope. The one thing I hate about having just random fucking vacuum sinks all over my base is that sometimes they do the vacuuming thing. When I don't want it to do the vacuuming thing. I might not have enough zirconium for this shit, actually. I need 4 more zirconium blocks. It appears I do. Get another one of these meanwhile. And crystalline. I still have some extra. Alright. It's not too bad of a craft. Could be better, but it's whatever. I only made one of the advanced. Then do you need to be made into something, right? Or no? I can make you into wyvern relay crystals. Or I can make you into basic energy crystals. I forget how much energy you do. I think it's like in the millions, so I don't think I really have to upgrade it. I don't want to copy that link. I just want to go here, man. Where was the shit? I forget. Energy network, there we go. Crystal wireless. Capacity 4 million. I could try and upgrade it, but I don't think I have the materials to do this. How much zirconium do I currently have? Yeah, I don't really have the materials to even do one upgrade, so let's not do that. Let's just not do that. Also, how are you faring? Damn, I have 11 of these already? Everything else is normal, I believe. Yeah, I don't think there's anything out of the ordinary there, and this is still working. I guess I haven't been giving you full power because I was doing some bullshit for a bit. Oh yeah, I want to check these things out. How much of these do you have? 9. Not enough. Not enough. Oh, it wasn't even those. I wanted the other one. I still definitely don't have enough of that, but just checking. 24. It's closer. It's closer to enough. Anyway, let's see how this shit works. I can just place you, and you just work. So if I just like place you instead of you, I place you here. I really thought they would like just connect. How do I make it connect actually, if that's not the case? This is what I need. So I have the wireless crystal relay. Basic energy IO crystal, the basics. Wait, why did I just tab out? It's a good question. Many people will ask this in the future. This is the crystal you will use to insert and extract energy. I see. Write the link to another or some. Shift right click on one of the crystals with a binder. What's a binder, bro? You crystal? Oh, come on! I can't have enough materials. I think I barely have enough, but still. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Running out of. I actually have still some. Crystalline. I was fucking blind for a second. It's fine. Corrupted. This thing. This thing. And we good. Alright. So, I still don't really, like, I think I understand. So what I definitely do need to do is I need to make energy IOs, which are just, like, I can use this thing I already have to make them. Energy relays to store more energy, and energy, wireless energy. The number... Wait, what? So, it's similar to the energy, huh? Support, I will... What does this fucking mean? Why can't you fucking give it fucking enchantments? I don't care. What is intervention? So, you put the energy IO in with the things you want to put into and out the energy. But then why the fuck do you need wireless energy crystals? Do you just need one? I know they increase the amount of energy you can have. What's the difference between the energy relay and the energy crystals? Do the energy relays need to be like next to each other? No, the energy relays can only link to other crystals. How the fuck does this work? It's too late for this shit, man. It's always too late for this shit, but still, it's too late. So, there are 3 types of energy, of crystals, yeah. This is we will use to insert and extract energy from your crystal network. Okay, understood. So this is what I'm gonna put at the machines and at the fucking machine, the fucking energy makers, the fucking fusion reactor, whatever the hell. Input, output, and balance, okay? This crystal type only supports a very limited of connections to other crystals. Okay. This crystal is meant to act as a hub which you can connect to other crystals, therefore it supports a lot more connection than the IO crystal. That you can connect to other crystals and cannot be connected to other blocks. Okay. It feels similar to the energy relay, except that it supports fewer crystal links, but can wirelessly connect to a number energy receivers. This connection can only supply power to devices, not receive it. Max energy flow is slower than that of the IO crystal. Okay. So, okay, how do you... I'm gonna take a guess at how this shit works. So I'm gonna guess I need an IO whatever. Basic energy IO crystal. Okay, yeah. And then with you, I can connect you. And then you take energy. Right, yes. And then I can have you basic energy relay crystal. You're a relay crystal. If I make you into wireless... Yes, I understand it now. I can then have you. And then if I have... Oh, I need more of these guys? Okay, I should get an Eye of Godfrey as soon as possible. What the hell is this? Maybe not. I just need more fucking... Draconium, honestly. Just need a little bit more Draconium. Could do with some more Draconium. I need like 4 of those, was it? How many did I need? And I only needed 2 more, so I could probably make it with the amount I have. Should I? I mean... I can definitely make it. It's still a question of if I should. I think this works for now. Because what I can do right now is I can have you like that. Then connect you and you. Let's see if I have this thing. Where I have it. Where do I have it? There we go. I can just do this. And this. And then I can just go over here with this. And then have you here. And then connect you. Mode input. How do I change your mode? An empty hand. Shift right was an empty hand. Output. Zero links? Why does it say zero links? Wait, how does this thing work? How do you connect? How do you link things? And simple, okay. Shift right click on one of the crystals to binder. Will save, then simply right click the target block to create a link. Okay. So I shift right click and then right click. And then I shift right click. And then right click. Oh, that's too far. Oh, but I didn't know there was a fucking. Please tell me the fucking distance requirement at least, man. Can I do this? Cool. Is that too far? No. Is this shit too far? It is. Okay. Is this shit too far? Because if this shit's too far, then what's the point, man? Not too far. Okay, it's better than the thing I had previously, at least. Now, are you too far? You're not too far. Okay, and so then... And you're in output mode. And you're full of energy now. Which is good. Okay. Well, I didn't think I would actually see the lasers. I thought those were only because I was holding the fucking tool. But no, I do see the lasers, much like this thing. And I guess they kind of look cool, and I can, if I want to, I can put them underground or some shit, but... It's fine. Also, I'm pretty sure the wireless is going to be better once I get that. I don't know how much better. I don't know what it means by a distance. I don't know if it means like any distance. I hope it means any distance, because then that'd be very goated. But I just need to wait until I have more Draconium. I guess I could have made it Should I just make it? I'm not gonna do anything else this episode, so might as well. Might as well see how it works. So I need to tear you down. Okay. And then wait, can I make this or no? It says content save, so that might not allow me to make this. Let's just try it, why not? I need to basically grab all the zirconium that I have here. Let me leave one though. Because I knew that shit was gonna happen. There we go. Also, wait, why did you go there? You exist somewhere already. I guess you didn't check there first. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. I need 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Oh, I have 2 left. 2 zirconium left is crazy. Then I need 2 particle. Well, I need 2 of these guys. So I need 8 of this shit. And then some corrupted that I have, although I can definitely make some more because I have the materials to make these things. 2. I can easily make 1, 2. And then I should be able to do that. And then let me see. Do you work from any distance? It's the question of the fucking week. If I put you here. And then this, you're linked. You gain energy. If I link you to this thing. You work. And you don't make a fucking giant ass laser. Cool. Alright, that works. That's cool. Output. What do you mean by output? I mean, you're working. Okay, that's just because this ran out of energy. I was gonna say, why did it suddenly fucking not have any energy? No, it just ran out of energy. Okay, but that works. Uh-huh. I still don't know why you say output. Like, I know, like, you're, like... I guess you're outputting to that. But this should say input. I don't know why... Yeah, I don't know why it works like that. I mean, it's working, so I don't mind it too much, but still. It should one of these should be input, one of these should be output. Imagine this one would be input and that one would be output, or maybe it could be the other way around, but because you're inputting into it, but either way, it should just be different. If this one's input, this one should be output. If this one's output, this one should be input, or vice versa, whatever the fuck. Who cares? But it works. It works. It's cool. It's actually very useful. Now I don't need to like make fucking snake pass from the fucking Google video game where you fucking eat the apple, which I played not too long ago actually, and I'm kind of sucked for a bit until I did the thing with like top speed, but it was like a weird. I did it with some weird ass settings. Anyway, it works. It's cool. It's gonna be useful for a lot of shit. So that's good. And now you're working full time. They also mean that this shit. Like the wait, I do have enough energy. What? Why do I have enough energy for this? Huh? Oh, it's just cause like I guess I'm making more energy than can be inputted into this. Is my guess. Like this makes energy, which is all being inputted into this. And this like gives energy, but It only gives like 1k a sec, right? Yeah, 1000 R, or what did it say? RF? RF per tick. And I'm guessing I make more than 1000 RF per tick through these guys. Yeah. So then that offsets it, because I'm not doing anything else with my energy, really. Alright, I'm good with that. And yeah, this is definitely going faster, hopefully, maybe, perhaps. I think it is. Anyway, I need to work on my energy next, which is actually a thing I was working for a while on, but then I came to standstill because I just needed a bunch of fucking materials. What did I need? A bunch of these things. Actually, for this, I needed to go to, what dimension? I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I might make a fucking rocket ship or try and, like, just AFK long enough to get the materials in order to make a bunch of these fucking guys. Which mainly I just need, some platinum and some runium, maybe? Does this even make runium? This shit don't even make runium. What the what am I fucking doing? This shit don't even make any runium. Oh, I can like duplicate it using rocky combs? I have a decent amount of those. Also, how much of this have you been making? Not even that much. You guys are fucking slow as shit. Alright. Well, I mean, I've done what I've come here to do. I will say I do. That was kinda sick. I didn't mean to rhyme it, but then I thought about it and I was like, I can say I do. And that sounds funny. Or not funny, but like it sounds like something. I don't know, I'm fucking tired. Why am I fucking trying to like speak? I should like I should just hit the end. I also would say end stream. I'm not even streaming. I'm fucking recording. I'm tired, man. I forgot that I have just fucking random poll because I needed to do this shit to make this portal. Forgot about that shit. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video. It's over. It's over. It's genuinely over.